Hey, Terry Lindy here with 5 tips to help you stay fit without breaking the bank. 1. Home workouts. Utilize online resources and apps for home workouts. Bodyweight exercises can be just as effective as gym equipment. 2. DIY equipment. Get creative with household items. Use water bottles as weights, chairs for step-ups, or towels for sliders. 3. Outdoor activities. Take advantage of free outdoor spaces. Running, hiking, and biking are great ways to stay fit at no cost. 4. Take community classes. Look for free or low-cost fitness classes in your community. Many parks and recreation centers offer affordable options. And 5. Plan your meals. Eating healthy on a budget is possible. Plan your meals, buy in bulk, and focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Need more tips on staying fit on a budget? DM me for a free guide that'll help you achieve your fitness goals without overspending.